Mr. Maris? He is an evil, evil man. Yes, Mr. Maris. He locked me in a box and packed me away and wrote puppet on the box. Can you believe that? I have escaped to bring you a message. Now, Mr. Keener, he says, oh no, Jose the puppet cannot talk at an assembly. But I tell you, I can. I'm allowed. What are you going to do, Mr. Keener? Give me lunch detention? Hello? It's a half day. There is no lunch. I actually came out to represent all the puppets in the school. There are 3 lovely ladies that are going to be retiring. Mrs. Cotarba, Mrs. H, and Miss Claudia. What is it with this Claudia and Mrs. H? Don't they have last names? I think it's easier to pronounce supercalifragilisticexpialidocious rather than say Wilshinsky and Hostinsky. What is this, some sort of private ski club I don't know about? The Harwood Ski Club? Puppets are not invited? Oh, and Miss Katarba, you think I have nothing to say about you, too? I know you are retiring, and I wish you a happy retirement. But I must tell you, you've been packing up for weeks now, and I have noticed you giving away candy, and more candy, and more candy. What is going to happen to all these kids' teeth in your class? I think mobile dentists will have to come set up shop because of all the rotting teeth. I hope you will get paid well in your retirement because you'll be using that money to replace the teeth of the children that were in your class. And then there is Mrs. H. I feel so sorry for you, really. You have had to work with Mr. Maris for all these years. And he gives you that program, K-Pals. What is this K-Pals? All I ever hear from Mrs. H. What letter? What letter? What letter? Does this rhyme? Does this rhyme? You know what rhymes? Boring and snoring. You should be upset with that Mr. Maris for giving you that program. I can't believe you made it this long with such a boring program. And my lovely Miss Claudia, your class, I think there might be magic going on in there. Every time I go by the door, ta-da! One kid flushes the toilet. Everyone says, ta-da! Another kid read a book. I hear, ta-da! What is going on in there? Magic shows? Magic acts? And then every other time, when kids are not reading in there, I see dancing and dancing. You would think there's a disco ball in there or something. What is this, dance revolution in your classroom? Now, I am sorry I have had to say all of this. As you can see, I wear my heart on my chest. So it is very hard for me not to say what's on my mind. But I would like to say one last thing to these 3 ladies. We love you, and we will miss you. I hate this sappy stuff. And if you see Mr. Maris, tell him if he sticks me in a box one more time, I am going to put him in a box and put tape over the top and pack him away for a hot, hot summer. Goodbye from all the puppets.